In this short video, we will see how to separate text into two columns in Microsoft Excel. I have some fake data over here, a first name, a last name, and an email address, and I would like to separate this data range into three separate columns, starting with column F. The first thing that we have to do is to select all the data, and I'll do that by clicking anywhere in the data range and then press CTRL+A on Windows or CMD+A if you're on a Mac. Next, I go to the Data tab and I look in the fourth group for the Text to Columns button, and once I identify it, I will click on it, and this opens up this wizard with three steps. The step number one is selecting if your data has delimiters or if you would like to separate your text by a fixed number of characters. Now, it's important to note here that Excel will already determine if your data is delimited or not, so it's best to go with the option that Excel selected for you if you're not sure. We have a semicolon as a data separator, but your data could have commas or tabs or spaces, or you can even set a custom delimiter. We then click on next, and the wizard moves to step number 2, which lets us set the delimiters for our data. We can pick between these options in here, and I will just select the semicolon since this is my data delimiter. And notice that we have a preview here down below of how our data will look like, which I think it's quite useful. We get to see how our future data will look like based on what things we select from here. Then we click next and we go to the last step, which lets us select each individual column and set its data format. So if we change the format from this box over here, notice how the title of this preview column changes as well based on the value that we select. And we can even skip some columns and not add them into our final data set if we pick the last option from this radio box in here. So I'll just format everything as text and pick a destination for where I'd like to have the new data range, which for me it will be the cell F2. I will click on finish, and here we go. We separated this awfully looking data into three nice separate columns. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching until the end, and have a great day.